I, Ganesh, has arrived again to deliver you another important message for the upcoming situations. My beloved child, you are required to be aware of the situations ahead to make yourself prepared, because preparation is the best thing to do before fighting any battle. I know there are many sorrows going in your life at this time, but remember one thing, that none of your sorrows is greater than your self-power. My children, you are one of my dear devotees, and you have always pleased me by worshipping, so that I will get you out of your all troubles. Life is like a cycle which keeps on moving forward, so we should always move forward with life. I want my children to do good deeds even now in this life, so that the fruits of your actions will be with you in the next life as well. And what do you do in your daily routine? How do you treat someone? How do you help someone? All this gets integrated into your actions. So, my children, remember that you must help others as much as you can, because helping them will change their lives. My children, the coming of happiness and sorrows is the process of life. Just like the coming of day and night is necessary in life, similarly, happiness and sorrow also come in our life. My children, your mind gets worried by thinking again and again. So instead of caring about people, focus your attention in positive work. Positive thinking is enough to change your life. People who bring you happiness in your life, spend your time with those people. My children, if you work hard at the right time today, then you will not have any kind of worry in the coming tomorrow. Those who work hard always win. History's witness that the man who has worked hard till date has always been successful. The only difference is some get success soon and some after some time. Everything has importance in life, so always follow the path of goodness and truth, so that you never have to stumble in life. My children, one mistake made in life can change your whole life. So never fall in the company of wrong people. If once your life is messed up, it will take a long time to get better. In the end, I would like to tell you that my children should always follow the path of truth while doing good deeds and adopting the words of their father in their lives. I bless you, my child.